Hi guys, welcome back. Today is January 24, 2021. We are going to analyze SENSEONICS, ticker SENS. Before we do, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell notification for all. This way, it will help out the YouTube algorithm and you'll get new content notifications. Also, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. With that being said, let's get right into it. Here we are looking at SENS in the weekly time frame, and things has been looking very bullish for SENSEONICS for the past week, and we have seen the stock going parabolic and shoot up, passing all the EMA and all the SMAs levels. And I think we are going to respect the EMA for the current time being, because we have the stock offering from the company and it has brought the stock back down. But fundamentally, there has nothing wrong with the company. There's a lot of good news, and FDA approvals and FDA application is in review for the 180 days approval for their new version of the product that they are having for people with diabetes. But let's look at the technical side of it. Although the RSI is overextended, but then the stochastic is telling the stock still have a lot of room to run up. And then as well as the MACD and the CCI is telling that the stock can have room to run up on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we surpass all the EMA or we are on top of the EMA right now, and we have passed all the SMAs. And I think on the daily, it looks a little bit bearish right here, but I think that's not because what the stock has created. It's more of the company stock offering that created this downtrend. But nevertheless, this is healthy for SENS. It will give more people a chance to get in and bring the stock back up long term. It'll be good for the stock. It's healthy overall. But right now, the MACD is still pointing the stock to go up and respect this new trend line that it has created. And previously, we were on the uptrend with this lower angle, but then because it went parabolic and the stock offering, it went back down, and we are still sitting above the EMA. And I expect SENSEONICS to respect that EMA and as well as that upper trend. As of right now, things still looking very bullish for SENSEONICS. Sorry, I'm having a hard time with that company name, but I'll get used to it. I just made a long-term position at 221 on Friday. That's why I'm covering this stock, and I've been following it. And as soon as SENSEONICS went down below the EMA, I made a position, and sure enough, we pretty much bounced back towards the end of the day on Friday, and I have made some gain already. And towards after hours, we shot up about 13%. So it was a good buy for me. Um, I mean, I was paying attention to the stock, and as soon as I heard the stock offering, I went in and looked at the chart and made a long position. And I'm very happy with where I'm at. And I'll probably will consider buying in some more. It depends on the fundamentals of the company and the technical side of it as well. But as of right now, we're still looking bullish. I think we're going to bounce off this trend and stay on top of the um, exponential moving average. The RSI looks like it's bouncing back and it's gonna continue the upward trend that I'm seeing right here, and we should be going staying on top towards the overbought, because with all the good news that the company has, and a lot of people are interested in the company, and I'm also seeing a small bullish hidden divergence, so it's looking very bullish for Senseonics. On the 2 hours, looking a little bit bearish because the bears are trying to bring down stock with the stock offering news that was released last week, but it looks like it's going to end soon, and the stochastic is telling us that it's time to go to the upside very soon. And on the 2 hours, we're sitting just below the EMA, but we are respecting this upward trend. So I'm expecting the stock to bounce back. While after hours, we have sitting above the EMA, but we will see how we open on Monday and towards the end of next week. But I expect these Senseonics to respect this upper trend. On the 1 hour, looking like the bears are losing momentum and the bulls are bringing back up, based on the RSI and the stochastic saying it's going to the upside, and as well as the MACD is indicating that the bears are running out of momentum. On the 30 minutes, it's looking bullish because the bulls are coming in and bringing the stock back up. And based on the after hours, we are sitting above the 50 SMAs. That will make the stock even more bullish because we are sitting on top of the exponential average and the simple moving average on all the 50, the 100, and the 200 simple moving average. So I think it's going to be a very good week for Senseonics, and long term, I can see the stock recover and go back to the $5 and make that new support and shoot through and make new all-time high to the $6. So a lot of good things to come for Senseonics. 15 minutes, the bulls are gaining control, and I expect this upper trend that the RSI is showing to continue to the overbought and similar to the stochastic. And I can see a small bullish hidden divergence on the stock as well. So it's looking very good. And it looks like we are consolidating very well within this upper trend line. And that's a good sign. And I bought in at 221, and it was a good decision, and we are looking for the next bull run. 5 minutes, bears are losing momentum, the RSI are creeping up, and the stochastic are creeping up, and the MACD is about to reverse to the top. So looking very good overall for the stock, long term, short term. You can swing traders too if you want. That's what you do. But I'm in this thing for long term, and I'm hoping that we will break all-time high within a month or so. All right, guys. I hope you guys like this content. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let's make some money.